Yes, please, Aisha.
The hadith, if the paradise is under the feet of the mother, does it only apply to believing mothers? And if so, then
yes.
Should the mother, a disbelieving mother, should it be still treated in respect, or?
You know, metaphorically, it can also be said of disbelieving mothers that if you are kind to your mothers, despite the fact that their religion is different, you do it because the Holy Quran stresses the obedience to your mother. So because of your obedience to mother, based on the Holy Quran's instruction, this will become an obedience to the mother in order to please Allah. And that is how you gain your paradise. When you please Allah, do anything for His sake, then of course you please Allah. And I mean, you gain paradise. But most importantly, this verse applies to religious Muslim mothers. If you obey them, they will always carve a path for you for all your life, in which, inshallah, you will be working according to the will of God, and you will gain paradise from under the feet of your mother.
Mother-in-laws.
I think we shouldn't extend it to that. It's good for every women to be good to mother-in-laws, and I hope you are. So, but this verse doesn't apply to the mothers-in-law. You should remember that hadith which speaks of, I'll explain that later on now. You know, you should be obedient to your mothers because Allah so requires, but not in religion. That is a different proposition. And that reminds me of a tradition of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. One boy whose mother was idolatrous, he became Muslim and he loved Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam very much. It so happened that his mother was surprised. He obeys her in everything, but not in religion. He doesn't follow her at all. So the boy was tired of this. He was absolutely fed up. And the mother once said, I will not forgive you my milk if you do not become of the same religion as I am. You know, the boy answered. How did he answer? He said, oh my mother, if you die 100 times before me, inviting me to your religion, every time I will disobey you and follow Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So this is a very good example of in what you should obey your mother and in what you should not obey your mothers.